Hello GP learners! Remember how we double small numbers like 3, 4 or 5? Now we are ready for bigger numbers. But why should we learn doubling? Doubling helps us to perform addition faster, multiplication quicker and solve real life problems easily. It's like a shortcut in your brain for bigger math. Let's learn how to double bigger numbers. I have taken 24. Step 1. Break the numbers into tens and ones. On tens place, 20 and ones place, 4. Step 2. Double the tens, double the ones. Step 3. Add them together. 40 plus 8 equals 48. Now we will double 37. First double 30, then double 7 and add both the numbers. 60 plus 14. Total 74. Let's try another one. Double 50 plus double 6 equals 100 plus 12 equals 112. Let me show you another shortcut and simple way. Double of 77. We will double this number, directly start from the right side. That is on the ones place. Double the number on unit place. That represents 7. Double of 7 is 14. We will write 4, carry on 1 and add with double of 7 on tens place. Double of 7 is 14. Add 1 with 14. 14 and 1, 15. So double of 77 is 154. Let's try some more in the same way. Double 76. First we will double 6. Double of 6 is 12. Write 2 and carry on 1 and add with double of 7. Double of 7 is 14. 14 plus 1, 15. 152 is double of 76. Double 85. First double 5. Double 5 is 10. Write 0 and carry on 1. Double of 8 is 16. 16 and 1 is 17. Double of 85 is 170. 170. Double of 69. First double 9. Double 9 is 18. Write 8 and carry on 1. Double of 6 is 12. 12 and 1 is 13. 138 is double of 69. Double of 45. Double 5 is 10. Write 0 and carry on 1. Double 4 is 8. 8 and 1 is 9. Double 97. Double of 7 is 14. Write 4 and carry on 1. Double 9 is 18. 18 and 1 is 19. 194 is double of 97. Now we will solve real life problems easily. Suppose you have bought 2 pizzas. If one cost 99, 2 will cost. Double 99 is 18. Write 8 and carry on 1. Double 99 is 18. 18 and 1, 19. 198. 2 pizzas will cost 198. To double the bigger numbers, we have learned 2 methods. Which one do you like? Let us know in the comments. Very simple, interesting and helpful, isn't it? Now it's challenge time. Quickly tell me double of 47. Double of 47 is 94. Double of 68. Double of 68 is 136. Double of 89. Double of 89 is 178. We can double 3-digit numbers in the same way. Let's do it. 127. First, double the numbers on ones place. There is 7. Double of 7 is 14. Write 4 and carry on 1. Double the numbers on tens place. There is 2. Double of 2 is 4. 4 and 1 is 5. Double the numbers on hundreds place. There is 1. Double of 1 is 2. 254 is double of 127. Let's try to double 235. Double of 5 is 10. Write 0 and carry on 1. Double of 3 is 6. 6 and 1, 7. Double of 2 is 4. 470 is double of 235. Double 369. Double of 9 is 18. Write 8 and carry on 1. Double of 6 is 12. 12 and 1 is 13. Write 3 and carry on 1. Double of 3 is 6. 6 and 1 is 7. 738 is double of 369. How will you apply to real life problems? Suppose you buy one toy. Cost 435. Then how much need to pay for two toys? 435. Double of 5 is 10. Write 0 and carry on 1. Double of 3 is 6. 6 and 1 is 7. Double of 4 is 8. 870. You have to pay 870 for two toys. Now you can double anything from tiny numbers to giant numbers. You are ready for even bigger math adventures. See you in the next magic trick. Bye for now.